Hello, today I'm going to introduce how to configure the rate on our NVR. Firstly, I'd like to point out that currently only NVR 308R series and the NVR 516 series support this function. Okay, now let's see how to do it.
This time we will introduce how to build a rate array on NVR 516. Here you can see we have already connected an NVR 516 with the latest firmware. Now let's go to the hard disk. We have just installed 5 hard drives on this NVR. Each of them, all of them have the same capacity. We have 2 ways to build a RAID array. First one is this one-click create button. After clicking this button, it will create a RAID 5 array automatically with a hot spare disk. Let's do it. And here it shows created successfully, and the type of this disk has changed to hot spare disk. I have to point out that the hot spare disk must be not smaller than any of the other hard disks. Here you can check the status of this RAID 5 array that we just created. Okay, now let's see how to do it manually. Let's delete this one first. And delete the hot spare disk. Here, this button provides you the way to create RAID manually. And here you can choose 6 kinds of RAID array, not only the RAID 5. But this time we will show you again how to configure a RAID 5 array. We choose 4 hard drives for storage, and the other one we will leave it for hot spare disk. After choosing this 4 disks, we still need to change the other one to hot spare disk. And here you can see this is exactly the same RAID 5 array like the one we just created. Here's a status menu showing you how the RAID array is working. We provide 4 kinds of status here. Normal indicates that you can store your videos on this RAID array normally. Well, when we try to pull out one hard drive, now we have just pulled out one of the hard drives, and let's see. We just refresh. Here you can see it changed to degraded. It means that this RAID 5 is still available, but it will start to rebuild with a hot spare disk in 10 minutes. And when it started, here it will change to rebuild, and on the task menu it will show you the progress. And if we try to pull out another disk, the status will change again. Let's refresh it again. We just pull out another disk from this array. Here you can see it changed to damaged. It means that this RAID array is no longer available. You have to check your hard drives and start to create a RAID array again. Okay, this is how to create RAID array on the web interface of our NVR. Next time we will introduce how to do it on the GUI. See you.